Hello, beautiful yogis. Welcome to the amazing world of yoga. It's a journey, not a race. We'll explore yoga together. Yoga is about connecting with yourself. It's about breath and movement. Yoga helps you feel good inside and out. Are you ready to start? Roll out your mat and let's begin. Yoga began in India a long time ago. Wise people called yogis created this practice. They wanted to connect the mind, body, and spirit. Yoga is still popular today. People all over the world practice it. Why? Because it makes you feel amazing. Yoga is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, size, or fitness level. Come as you are. Yoga is like magic for your body. It makes you strong and flexible. It helps you balance better. Yoga can even reduce pain. But wait, there's more. Yoga also calms your mind. It helps you relax and de-stress. Yoga can even help you sleep better at night. Feeling stressed or anxious? Yoga can help. It teaches you to focus on your breath. This calms your nervous system. Starting yoga is exciting. Here are some tips for beginners. First, start slowly. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Second, use props. Blocks, blankets, and straps are your friends. They help you modify poses. Third, be patient. Yoga is a practice. It takes time to learn and grow. And finally, have fun. Yoga should be enjoyable. Smile and breathe. Remember, every yogi was once a beginner. Section 5. Exploring the yoga garden, a style for everyone. There are many styles of yoga. Let's explore a few. First, Hatha, a gentle introduction to yoga poses and breathing. Next, Vinyasa, a flowing style that links breath with movement. Then, Yin, a slow-paced style that stretches deep tissues. And finally, Restorative, a relaxing style that uses props for support. Try different styles and find what you love. Each style offers unique benefits. Section 6. Finding my center, a personal yoga story. I remember my first yoga class. I was nervous and excited. The class was challenging, but I felt amazing afterward. Yoga has changed my life. It helps me manage stress and anxiety. It makes me feel strong and confident. Most importantly, yoga helps me connect with myself. It allows me to find peace and stillness in a busy world. Section 7. Breathe, move, connect. Yoga's impact on mental health. Yoga is a powerful tool for mental health. It helps us manage stress, anxiety, and depression. How does it work? Yoga combines movement, breath work, and mindfulness. This powerful combination calms the nervous system. When we feel stressed, our breath becomes shallow. Yoga teaches us to breathe deeply. This sends calming signals to the brain. Section 8. From flexibility to strength. Yoga's physical benefits. Yoga is amazing for our physical health too. It improves flexibility, strength, and balance. Yoga poses stretch and strengthen our muscles. This helps improve our posture and range of motion. Regular yoga practice can also reduce chronic pain. It strengthens the muscles that support our joints. Yoga is a holistic practice. It benefits both our mind and body. Section 9. Namaste. Embracing the yoga journey. Congratulations on starting your yoga journey. Remember, yoga is a practice, not a perfect. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun. Namaste, beautiful yogis.